Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Fern, the talented young mage from Frieren beyond Journey's End, but with a fun twist. We're reimagining her in a cute rubber hose cartoon style, inspired by the golden age of animation. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It helps the channel grow and allows us to keep creating more drawing tutorials for you. This tutorial is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, so grab your pencil, your favorite drawing tools, and let's have some fun together. Let's start with Fern's large, expressive eyes. Draw 2 tall oval shapes that immediately give her that cute and friendly cartoon look. Now add her eyelashes. Make them long and curved, helping her eyes feel elegant and full of personality. And remember, whenever a step feels tricky, feel free to pause the video and take your time. There's absolutely no rush. Above the eyes, draw her simple, rounded eyebrows. Next comes her tiny nose. We draw it as a cute, rounded shape, and later we'll color it pink to add extra charm to the design. Add a small, shy smile. A simple curved line is all we need to make Fern look sweet and approachable. Let's build the cheeks now. Keep them nice and round to create that adorable cartoon face shape. Draw her visible ear using a simple curved shape. Small details can make a big difference. Now we can work on the top of her hair. Use smooth, rounded curves that follow the shape of her head. Let's create her signature bangs. They're neat and straight, covering most of her forehead. And yes, somehow her eyebrows still peek through the hair anyway. Add the side lock of hair that falls in front of her face while still leaving the ear visible. We'll finish the rest of the hair later, so don't worry about drawing every strand right now. Wow, she's already looking so cute! Fern's face is really coming together beautifully. Now let's move on to the body. Start drawing her coat. Use flowing lines that help define the upper body shape. Fern was raised by the priest Hyder after being orphaned during a war. Even though she's much younger than Frieren, Fern often acts more mature and responsible. Fern specializes in offensive magic and becomes an exceptionally skilled mage. The name of the series in Japanese is Sousou no Frieren. Fern frequently reminds Frieren about everyday responsibilities and schedules. One of Fern's defining traits is her incredible mana control. Next, draw the dress bodice. add the central buttons and a few simple lines to suggest the decorative fabric details. Let's create the skirt section, giving her body a rounded and appealing silhouette. Add a soft, wavy edge at the bottom of the dress to create movement and elegance. For this rubber hose design, we're heavily inspired by classic Minnie Mouse cartoons, so you'll notice lots of rounded and playful shapes. Now, draw the legs. One knee is bent, allowing her left foot to lift behind her and create a charming pose. Let's draw the left shoe. Instead of Fern's traditional boots, we've given her rounded shoes, inspired by classic cartoon characters. If you're enjoying the tutorial so far, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you'd like to learn how to draw Fern in a style much closer to the original anime artwork, click the card on the screen and check out that tutorial too. Also, tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? Your suggestions help decide future videos. Now add the right shoe, balancing the pose as if she's lightly standing on the tip of her foot. The story takes place after the traditional fantasy adventure has already ended. Fern gradually becomes one of Frieren's closest companions and friends. The anime adaptation was praised worldwide for its animation quality and emotional storytelling. Draw the left sleeve of her coat. Make it wide and loose, inspired by traditional mage robes. Part of it will be hidden behind her hair. Add her left hand with an open gesture that helps reinforce her friendly and gentle pose. Notice how the hands are very rounded and simplified, complete with classic rubber hose cartoon gloves. Now, draw her right hand, waving toward the viewer, as if she's greeting everyone watching.
This feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Time for Fern's most important accessory, her magical staff. But in our version, it comes with its own adorable cartoon face. Draw the staff's cheerful eyes. Large cartoon eyes instantly make it feel alive. Add a small rounded nose to keep the staff looking friendly and cute. Fern often appears calm and composed, but she can be surprisingly competitive when challenged. Her relationship with Stark becomes one of the most beloved dynamics in the series. The world of Frieren focuses heavily on the passage of time and how different people experience it. Now, draw the happy open mouth. It should look excited to join Fern on her adventures. Don't forget the hanging ribbon and magical gem. We designed it to look almost like a little earring for the staff. Create the staff's long handle using smooth cartoon curves that match the rubber hose aesthetic. Our Fern looks absolutely adorable. She seems ready to travel to Inkwell Isle and go on amazing adventures with Cuphead and Mugman, doesn't she? For coloring, we used several shades of purple for her hair, lighter skin tones for her face and legs, dark gray and black tones for her coat, soft cream colors for the gloves, and white for the dress. Feel free to use your own favorite colors. Adding darker shades underneath the hair, sleeves, and clothing folds can create beautiful depth and shadows. And here's our Fern, reimagined in a cute and classic rubber hose cartoon style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!